The audit and compliance report used when you are conducting internal audits or gap analysis of ISO 27001, both the ISMS and the Annex A controls. The report comes with a audit compliance dashboard that shows you the level of compliance of both the information security management system and the Annex A controls. You can see from this document that you get a pre-mapped version that is pre-mapped to the document pack provided by Hightable that shows you exactly how the document pack satisfies the ISMS requirements of ISO 27001. You will also be provided with a completely blank version for when you are starting your audits or for when you are conducting a gap analysis. There are two tabs at the bottom, the ISMS and the Annex A. The ISMS tab, as you can see, is laid out with every single ISO 27001 control and the control objective. You record in the positive and negative columns under evidence the evidences of how you satisfy that control objective. As mentioned, this is pre-populated and pre-mapped to the document pack provided by Hightable. You would then record, based on your evidences, a rating of compliance, observation, minor non-conformity, major non-conformity of not audited. You provide the date that you last did the assessment. You will provide the evaluation method of how you conducted your audit, whether it was an interview, observation of process and activity, or review of records and documents. And then you have three columns that allow you to do planning of what needs to be put in place, who will be put in place, and the date that it will be done. So this can form a project map to satisfy putting right controls that are not there. You can also see that for the Annex A, all of the Annex A controls are listed and it follows exactly the same format. So every single Annex A control objective is listed. There is a pre-mapping to the SOC 1 General IT controls. That's just for value add. You populate both the positive and negative evidences. As you go through your audit, you assign it a rating, as on the previous tab, and again, the date of last assessment, evaluation method, and your three project-derived columns that allow you to manage where you have gaps. All of this will populate into your dashboard to allow you to report out to senior manager, or cut and paste and copy this into a management high-level report.